Okay, first thing, we're gonna do a Kahiko based face for hula. So in Kahiko, you want more of a natural look. Where the sun hits, the natural shadows is what you want to enhance, and the natural highlights is what you want to highlight. It's all about preparation and prepping your skin. So I always start with a moisturizer. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is a collagen moisturizer. So I moisturize your skin. You know, I make sure everything is squared away. Always moisturize first. And everything is upwards. Okay? And I'm going to teach you a trick. Okay? So now you can see your face is nice and moist. Now you're going to let that sit just for a sec. Then you're going to take some powder. I know it's backwards, but we're going to try this, okay? I do Prep and Prime. Let's see if we do it this way. Can you see it? Prep and Prime from MAC. I put a little on my brush and I all over my skin to take the shine away, okay? All on our skin. So you see it's nice. Got the powder. Good? Everybody see that? Then you're gonna take this, which is a matte finish setting spray, and you're gonna spray your face. And let it dry. Okay? Once that's dry, now remember this is Kahiko, this is not Awana. So now once that is dry to the touch, you're gonna take a primer, and the primer I'm using, I gotta put my glasses on for this because I cannot see. So as you can see, it's drying, okay? So like I said, first you're gonna use whatever moisturizer you used. I used the L'Oreal Collagen because I'm old. So you see all this, I try to make them look nice. So I did that. Then I took some translucent powder and put it lightly all over my face, okay? Then I took this primer, a final mist, and this sets it, okay? So while this is all drying, you let it dry, and once it's dry, you're gonna use a primer. The primer that I use is this. Can you see it? Can you see? Is it too close? Anyway, it's the MAC. Okay? And you're gonna put it all over your face. Everything's dry now. Everything should be dry. And you're gonna put this all over your face. Because this is gonna make your foundation stay. Okay? See that? Everything, see? Yes, it's shiny. Décolleté, all up. Good? Everybody see that? Now you're gonna let that dry. And now we're gonna go with fun colors. So because I don't have probably the same thing you guys have, I'm gonna go with store-bought, grocery store foundation. So the first one I'm using is this this is the, I want to say this is L'Oreal as well. Or is this CoverGirl? I can't even tell because I'm blind as a bat. I was wrong. It's Maybelline. So you can use the Maybelline. Okay. And this is all dry now. So what I do is I use the Maybelline. This one is a twist. Now remember, we're trying to do Kahiko, right? See how it's coming through the top? And you're just gonna all over your face. So the point of this is to look like your skin is flawless, but not look like you have makeup. Okay? Does that make sense? You want to look flawless because we all want to be pretty hula dancers. We don't want to look like linebackers that play football sports. Once you get your foundation on, take your beauty blender and start blending. And you want it to blend everywhere. Everywhere. Under your eyes. On your mouth. Over your eyes. Because you want to look like you woke up this way, okay? We never. We old. Okay? Okay, so as you can see, it's flawless, okay? But some of us is older or mature. So you see all this under here, these Louis Vuitton bags or dark circles. We're gonna color correct that. So if those of you do not have it, go look for it. See all these colors? This is MAC. I don't know if you can see that. I use the orange to get rid of all of this color. Just so you know. I know it looks like a lot, but what we're trying to do is ensure that, or you can just do a pen. So I have a yellow pen. I have an orange pen too. This is from MAC as well. I'm using my MAC line because it's universal. So twist, and then you're gonna draw a triangle. Same here. Because all we're doing is color correcting. And again, beauty blender, get the beating. Because you want the undercarriage of your eyeballs to brighten up. Yeah, you just want to brighten your eyeballs. Now I take it all the way around my eyeballs, just so you know, because I want everything to look bright. That's just me. Okay, all of these are bright. All of these are bright. And then you're gonna take, now mind you, remember what I said, this is for Kahiko. This is not, you can do the same thing for Awana. I'm gonna build on this, but you just blend it. Yes, it looks orange under my eyes, I know. This is the concealer. See, it's an eraser. See the eraser? And you're gonna put it over that. Ooh. Get it together, Brooke. And blend. So you see, if you can look, see how this one's wide open and this one is still sagging? It's because I didn't finish blending. Okay. And it's okay, I take it everywhere, yeah. I take it around my whole face. Okay, I don't know if you guys are unaware of the saying baking, but this is what we're gonna do. So now you have your base, see? It looks like you woke up like this. Everything's flawless. Now you're gonna do what is called baking, okay? You're gonna take your powder and you're gonna put it right under your eye, like this. Okay, it's gonna sit just like that. And this side too. Hey, what happened? This is a hot mess because there's a lot involved with makeup. Okay, so that's gonna bake. That's what's called baking. Okay, see it? Now it just looks flawless. See? From a distance, when you're dancing hula, whether it's on stage or in a backyard, it just looks like your skin is perfect. So now, like I said, it's kahiko, so you can't go in there looking like you're about to go to the nightclub. You have to look like you woke up this way. So I take all of that into accountability because protocol is protocol. And if you're a hula dancer in a halau, we've all heard protocol 1,000 times. If we've heard it once, protocol is important. It's the foundation of hula and cultural respect. Okay, so while this is all setting, this right here, you're gonna go ahead and do your eyebrows because you want your eyebrows to just have some definition again, because why? You're gonna be all the way far away and you like at least have a face when you're dancing, even if it's outside. And your eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. Okay, they just need to look alike, like not one way up here and one way down here. Okay, they just need to look alike, that's all. So I take a brown color pencil because I have brown. Usually Asian ethnicity has more black. Caucasian or Anglo-Saxon ethnicity has blonde. I'm Puerto Rican, so I'm confused. So I just use brown. Just kidding. That's it. This is settled. You take a light brush and you just dust it. So now, remember the bags that was under here? Do you notice that they're gone? You see your eyebrows? You see how they're squared away? See? That's it. That's how you look for kahiko. And then if you want, you can take a powder of a darker color and you can add contouring. Again, it must be subtle. So I do brush and just subtle. See how it makes my cheeks look up? Just it. So from a distance, see, from a distance, when you're dancing hula, you look flawless. You look like you have cheekbones. Your eyes look good. You don't look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. This is me in the regular lights. And then you just add your lips. And because I'm dancing hula, I do a more earth tone. So it looks like I have lips, but I don't, you know what I mean? It just looks natural, but I have lips on. And that's Kahiko. Because you're not going to wear mascara. You're not going to wear, you know, eyeshadow. All the powders will do what it needs to. And remember that orange that we did here? It added a little shadow here. And then that's it. Then remember this mist right here? After you powder your entire face, right? You set everything. Everything's set. Right? You're going to take this again. And you're just going to spray. And wait. That's it. All done. Now to go. So this is Kahiko. Do you see? This is Kahiko. As it dries, it'll look prettier. But right now it's shiny. This is Kahiko. So this you can just dance anywhere, outside, inside. And from here, it's easy to go to Awana. I always tell my hamana, because it's always different for people. When it's my Asian students, they don't have this crease. It's more almond. So we're gonna create a crease, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little bit higher. Okay, so Asian Americans do not have, or Asians do not have this lid. It's covered. So what we're gonna do is create a crease, and we're gonna bring it up here instead. And create the look of a crease. Can you see that? I do natural colors because no need be crazy on stage. So use your browns. I'll show you what I just used. So you see it way up there? I used Urban Decay Naked, the original, the first one, and I used this brown right here. Okay? And you see where I put it? I put it above the crease. And then of course, you're going to blend. Blending is your friend. If you don't blend, it's gonna look crazy. So, blend. And this side too. You can use your fingers. Can you see? So now your thing is up here. And then I take a darker color. I take this color right here. The next one, which is Dark House. For those of you who had creases, I put it in my crease. Those of you without a crease, I put it above. And I just do here and here. And I just do it like this, a V. That's it. And I do the same thing on the other side. I know you can look darker because this is Awana. You want to look like a modern pretty girl, right? You're not going to go in there looking crazy. Kahiko was different because we were ancient times. And then blend it out to in. See? Out to in. Ta-da. I then, same palette, depends on your skin tone. Because I'm darker, I use more golds. For lighter skin, more pale skin, I would use, let's see, this is called Sin. Sin, can you see Sin? I don't know if you guys can see it. There, see it? Sin, the second one. And I take the Sin and I just, now we're going from the inside here, that way. And blend it. See? Same thing. That's it. Okay? Now, this is just me, but I take a big brush like this and I blend it all, light to dark, so it doesn't look crazy. See? So I look like I have makeup. Here's it in the light. See? And then take your eyeliner. That's it for eyeshadow, by the way. You can do, if you want, you can take this right here, or a light, whatever light shadow you have. I use this one, and I use it to separate my brows. So right here on the crease, to separate the brows. Ta-da! Good, yeah. Now, we already did the cheekbones, yeah, when we did Kahiko. So we don't really need cheekbones, but if you want it to be more pronounced, take your bronzer and you go darker. Because now you're on stage. See? And I do a 3. So 1, 2, 3. Under my chin. Do the same thing on this side. Really dark. Backwards 3. Your friend is blending. Okay, you don't want to look like you have like a drag queen where you have the hard lines. Make it soft. I bring it up in here, everything, so that when I'm in the light, it just looks like I have a nice tan. You see what I mean? I'll put my glasses down so you guys can see it. And I can see it. See? That's it. That's what I would do for from Kahiko to Awana. Of course, then you would change the lip color to a redder lip or a more dark pronounced lip. Then you would do the higher, and then you can also do cheeks if you want cheeks. See? On your cheeks to make your cheeks. So, see? You want all your shadows to be gone. And then when you're done, that's what you look like. See? Perfect. Perfect. And then add as you go. If you want to do your lips pronounced, this is very important. When you do, I'm bringing it up close so you guys can see it. When you do your lips, you want to X here. X and X. So you can pronounce the Cupid's bow. And then all the way across. Connect this X to this end. This X to this end. Ooh. Should look like that. So then when you fill in, I'll put this back. So when you fill in, Now I'm gonna put my glasses so I can do it good. When you fill in, you just fill in. When it's all said and done, you're hula ready. And then all you do is smile and hula on. Don't forget your mascara. I'm not doing mascara because then I have to take it off, but any mascara you want, you know how it goes. When it's all said and done, again, matte spray, spray it one more time, settled, and go dance hula. Hope that helped you. Again, if you don't have a crease, which is this, then you create one. Hope that helped. Aloha and ahuiho.